So we have Tyler Sisco here. Tyler just completed the Details R Certified Detailer Private License Training Program, and he's been here since Friday. Tyler, where'd you come in from?
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Wow, so that was, how long of a drive was that?
15 hours.
15 hours, man,
It was
and you
well
did,
worth it.
yeah, and you did a great job.
Thank
You
you,
did a
thank
great
you.
job. So what'd you think of Friday? Friday was the business and marketing class.
Yes, sir. Very educational. Went over all your pricing, walkthroughs, your procedures. Helps you on your business and providing all the information you really need.
And the marketing,
to start,
business plan, upselling, cross-selling.
Start your own business.
Yeah, so it was a good class for you.
Yes, sir. Very educational.
Thank you. And then yesterday, Saturday, was the exterior day. Paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating. We also did the wash up too with the engine. What'd you think of that day?
Now, awesome hands-on training. I'm not too familiar with the buffing, polishing, and whatnot. And after that Saturday class, very confident.
Yeah, you did a
now.
great job.
Very
Yeah, it's like you've been
confident.
doing it forever.
Right. But very, very educational, hands-on.
So you think what you learned, you'll be able to take it, make some money?
100%.
What about today? Today was the headlight restoration and interior cleaning, detailing, and coating day.
Never done a headlight restoration. Amazing what
Yeah.
it can do. All your interiors, pretty basic cleaning and whatnot.
Sure. Yeah, you made both you and Jordan made this Stinger look like brand new, both the interior and the exterior. Did a great job. So would you refer others to us as long as they weren't a competitor?
100%.
All right, my man. Well, you are now Details R and Jade Ceramic certified. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.